Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to tag someone on Facebook story. We'll start by going into the Facebook app. The next thing will be to click on the upper option of Create Story. Then we will choose the content we want to upload to the story, either photo or video. Once we have selected it, we will see that it is added to our history. Here we will be able to design our story by adding and placing different elements such as stickers. Now to tag someone, let's click on the drop-down arrow on the right. Then we will see the option to tag people, on which we will click. Then we will use the search engine that appears to find the person or people we want to tag in our story. We click on each one to be added. You'll also see an option at the bottom that you can check if you want to allow whoever you tag to share the story for 24 more hours. Once you have finished it, click on Done. We see that the created tag has been added that we can place wherever we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If you want to delete a tag, tap and hold it and drag it to the bottom trash can icon. When you have your story ready with the tags you want, you can click on Share to create the story. We will already have our tag story created on Facebook and the other person will receive the notification. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.